Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Sue. Today's video is super exciting because it is going to be on my first official 2019 unboxing. Okay, so I'm just going to get right into it because the box is here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to open this up. You know, when I first got introduced to this bag, I want to say probably over a year ago, I honestly genuinely hated the style of this bag, and I told myself, who would be into this type of bag, right? So I actually watched a video of a girl unbox, or she went to Paris and she actually bought the bag there and she did an unboxing video on it, and I watched the whole thing, and I just, it's a nice bag, but it wasn't like a ooh I want that bag kind of thing for me. But just a few months ago I got introduced to the bag again. Actually, I want to admit, I saw a photo of Rihanna wearing this bag and absolutely fell in love with this bag just because of that photo. And I think the reason why is because when I was first introduced to this bag, I thought the style wasn't, you couldn't really style this bag wearing just regular clothes or dressing it up. And then when I saw who wore the bag, I was like, what? You can actually style that bag in so many different ways, which is why I fell in love with this bag. So this is how it looks like. I ordered this straight from the Louis Vuitton website. Here is the receipt. And this is how the box looks like. It's super cute and small. So I actually got this as an early birthday gift for myself. My birthday is actually in May. I know it's like 4 months away, but I told myself that I should just get it now because I know Louis Vuitton raise their prices every year, usually around the beginning of the year, January or February, and I didn't want to wait till May to get it and then have to pay extra because the price has gone up. So yeah, that is the reason why I'm getting it now, and also that's an excuse for me to buy this bag as a gift for myself. I am so excited. This was out of stock for the longest time. Can anybody guess what I got? Oh my goodness. It's so tiny. Oh my goodness. Okay. I can smell the leather. We're excited. I hope it's in perfect condition. So this is the Louis Vuitton ALMA BB in the DAMIER print. And she looks like this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Sorry guys, I'm like inspecting everything, making sure it's perfect. I thought that this was gonna be shiny. I have the Speedy 30 in the same print, and I thought that the handles, this part and this part will all be shiny like the Speedy. It's not, it's matte. That's so, I'm gonna have to look that up. But yeah, interesting. Okay, so wow. So pretty. Okay. So this side has this little thing here. Okay, so the keys are in here. But oh, this is so pretty. I'm trying to just figure out how this is supposed to sit on here because the way I see people have it, it's just perfectly down like this. Okay, so here it is. Here is the bag, you guys. So gorgeous. And the bottom has beads. And the front is gold zippers. Oh, it's so shiny. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so easy to open. The straps are in here. Straps are so short. Is this supposed to be... Ah, I scared myself. I was like, why are the straps so short? I thought it was going to be just a shoulder short strap, but when it rolled all the way down, it's actually quite long. And here is, I believe this is the little lock. Okay, so it comes with a little lock. Dude, this lock is so shiny. It's got just a little stuff like that in there. The inside smells so good. Fresh, brand new. This is how the inside looks like. It's got one pocket right here. And then the date code is actually, I just saw, it's actually inside. It's inside this pocket, the date code. It's hard to get to, but it is in there. Okay, I'm going to put the strap on real quick and wear it because I know that from the videos I've watched, this bag sits kind of low because the strap is technically long, but I don't know why it looks so short here, so I'm just going to put it on real quick. By the way, this is how it looks like. They're D-rings. You just do this. On the handles, it's got a little thing here, and that is where you're supposed to hook the D-ring strap into. So we're gonna do that real quick. It looks like this. For reference, I am 5'1", so this is how the straps looks like on my body frame. Let me see if it was a little bit higher. If it was a little bit higher, I mean, what do you guys think? And then this is how it looks like cross body. Sides. You want to wear it closer to you like this. And you just want to wear it the crook of your arm. Okay, so I'm still tripping out about the leather part of this because I really thought it was shiny. And from the YouTube videos that I've watched, they were all shiny. So I did just go onto the site. Well, actually, I just Googled the ALMA BB online. A bunch of pictures came up and all of the leather parts, such as this brown part right here, the handles and the strap, they're all shiny. So I went and got my Speedy, which I bought about 7 years ago. These handles, you see how they're shiny? They're all shiny. The ALMA one, the new one, is a matte finish versus the shiny finish. This is all matte, and then, sorry guys, a little unorganized here. You see the difference that this is shiny and this is matte. Yeah, I actually don't mind this finish at all. So I'm really curious to see if the things that I have been putting in my Clapton backpack would fit into the ALMA BB. Obviously, this is a lot bigger. Height-wise, the width is about the same. And then the depth, this is, I don't know, a little bit, I guess, bigger just because it's got more leeway to open and stretch versus this bag. It's really structured. So this is the cosmetic pouch in the PM size, and there, you guys can see that. So, I'm trying to be so careful. Don't want to damage the bag. So it's in there, and there's a little bit of room left right here. If I wanted to throw my phone in, my mini pochette is in there. It's a tight squeeze. So, toss that in there. That's in there. And I think honestly, if you don't want to deform the shape of the bag, I wouldn't put too much in it, but there, my phone goes on top. So I'm gonna take that out. I've got my medium Karigami here. I know it's not gonna fit because it's a little too big with all the stuff in there, but I wanted to show it with you guys still. Right in there, but it's really tight by now, and yeah. So you can really push that in, but I just don't want to do that, you know. I just don't want to stress my bags and my wallets out and myself out over that. I think that wraps it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video one bit, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys all so much for watching my videos. If you guys do have any questions, or you guys are interested in better in-depth review of this bag, just comment down below, let me know. I'm always all ears for constructive criticism and open for different ideas and new ideas on my channel. Besides that, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys!